I think anyone would guess that this cake is gluten-free.
So today we are doing a modern twist. We are taking all the things that make a polenta cake great, using of course our polenta, some almond meal, our own blend of gluten-free flours to create a delicious moist texture to a gluten-free cake. Is we need to start soaking our cranberries. But because we want to make this completely egg-free, we do need to use a strong egg replacer. So I'm just going to mix this up. We're also going to be adding a little bit of vegetable oil. Move on to creaming our butter and sugar component. So you want to rub that orange zest between your fingers and the sugar to release the oils. To use some plant-based margarine or butter, you can add that to our sugar and orange zest. I don't like to rely on commercial brand blended flours because they do tend to change a lot. We are going in with our polenta. So I've just put my potato flour in there. Our almond meal, use a little bit of psyllium husk. I'm using some baking powder. Have a small amount of salt, using some cardamom to add some nice warm spices. So I'm just going to whisk, dry mix everything together. Cranberries out of the freezer, soaking in that orange juice. And we're going to mix everything together into the fridge for a couple of hours for everything to infuse and hydrate. Do that. And our syrup is, you want it to be around the same temperature as the cake. Make some holes all over the cake. Just brush the syrup over so we get a nice even distribution. Cover this with some foil.